Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to compute the standard deviation of a dataset in Excel. So the first thing you want to do is type in the numbers into Excel. So we have 8, 11, 12, 4, 1, and 28. So after you type in the numbers, you want to go and click on the Data tab, so Data, and you want to select the Analysis tool pack. Now, if you don't have this tool pack installed, you can easily install it in just a few seconds by going to File, then all the way down to Options, and then going to Add-ins, and then selecting it and clicking on Go. So again, you would go to File, Options, go to Add-ins, so click on Add-ins, and then select the tool pack and click on Go, and then just make sure it's checked. So then what you do is you click the Data tab, and then it will show up there. All right, let's go ahead and click on Data Analysis. Now you want to pick Descriptive Statistics after you do that. And then for the input range, I'm going to clear this out and just left click the first cell and then drag the mouse down and release. And you see it gets filled in, cells A1 through A6. Then you want to make sure that Summary Statistics is checked. Then just click Compute, and we should be good to go. Let's look to see where it is. There's the standard deviation right there. I hope this video has been helpful. That's it.